What's up, y'all? This is Matt Garland, NMLS number 58700, but better known as MG the Mortgage Guy. So I'm super excited to launch MG Mortgage Academy, which is only for licensed realtors and loan officers. Look, here at MG Mortgage Academy, we're going to focus on real estate financing, and we're going to teach you how to use real estate financing to grow a 6 to 7 figure career as a realtor or a loan officer, all right? Also, we're going to teach you how to use social media to build your brand, lead generate, and most importantly, monetize, all right? We're going to have monthly group mentorship calls, monthly masterclasses with guest trainers. You'll get access to the MG Mortgage Academy private community, and for 50 mentees, you will have the opportunity to have one-on-one personal coaching from me, MG, via Zoom or FaceTime. So if you're ready to take your career to the next level, follow the directions below, and I'm going to see you guys on the other side.